welcome to today's Outlier Live. My name is Christopher Ewell, and I am so glad to be joining you today. On today's first topic of the day, Elon Musk pursues banking in wake of rivals' failed attempts. Elon is basically trying to take over the world with the X platform, formerly known as Twitter, and one of the ways he's going to do it is by taking control of your finances. So if you're just tuning in, my name is Christopher Ewell, and I love talking about stocks and finding those outlier trades with outsized returns. And if you're interested in that too, be sure to definitely hit the subscribe button down below. Now, today's episode is sponsored by Outlier.com. Go to OVTLYR.com to find out why outliers win. Now, back to Elon. Basically, what he's saying here is, I don't want you to just put all of your time and attention into Twitter or into my social media platform. I would like to take all of your money at the same time and use that money to make payments all across the world on your behalf, or something like that. That's what Elon's up to, right? It says he is trying to turn Twitter into a one-stop shop for financial services, basically taking on the world's largest bank of JP Morgan. The article goes on to say Facebook spent years investing in a project called Libra that was supposed to revolutionize cross-border payments, but regulatory scrutiny forced it to abandon the project. And I think a lot of that had to do with the fact that nobody trusts anything with Facebook anymore, especially not their dollars and cents. Google planned a digital financial offering and even lined up 11 banks as partners for a launch, doesn't say exactly of what, before it nixed their entire plan. So Elon's trying to get on something that Zuckerberg and friends have already failed on before. Google has already planned and failed on before. And lastly, Amazon considered offering checking accounts for its consumers, but that project also never became a reality. So Elon is basically stepping into an arena that other people have tried to take on, and other people, and probably the most well-funded people in the entire world, have failed miserably at. The article continues on. Let me see. Twitter chief Linda Yaccarino said X would include fintech features such as payments and banking. So that got me thinking, where does this put the world's largest bank? I don't know if it's the world's largest. It's at least America's largest bank. Where does that put America's largest bank? JP Morgan. Let's check out the outlier data on JP Morgan. In fact, we got a sell signal all the way back on June 26th, and active right now, as of this moment, when you're watching this today live, we have a downside indicator, which is not what you want to see on here. When you see a red downside indicator like that, that means there is some trouble brewing on the horizon. And in fact, if you look at the chart on JP Morgan, you can see it did have a huge run up, but now it's having a huge run right back down. So I don't know. Maybe the investors in JP Morgan are looking at this, looking at what Elon's saying and saying, you know what? Maybe he's got a point, right? Or at least that's what the outlier data is saying, is that, hey, it's not looking so good for JP Morgan, the world's largest bank. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of Elon's plan. Do you think Elon is barking up the wrong tree, or do you think Elon has a great point, a great platform, and a great opportunity in the near future? And I want to say hi to Rudy, Just Say, and April this morning for tuning in live. Thank you all so much for watching live. And be sure to hit the like button down below. Be sure to add a comment. Let me know what you think about what Elon's doing.